Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
AMARAVATI, Vignan Group owned by Lavu Educational Society, Guntur, has entered into a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Bengaluru, to promote science and mathematics education in Vignan Schools. Nandigam Srikanth, CEO of Vignan Group, Vizag, on Tuesday received the agreement documents from IISc, Bangalore, Registrar Sridhar Warrier. The objective of the MoU is to promote science and mathematics education for teachers of Vignan schools in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. IISc Bengaluru, through its senior professors, will undertake the training of mathematics and science teachers of Vignan secondary and senior secondary schools through a 10-day continuous residential training program at IISc Satellite Campus at Chalakere, in Chitradurga district, Karnataka, Durin. This is the first collaboration by IISc with private schools in states outside Karnataka. The MoU signed between IISc and Vignan Group will benefit more than 500 school teachers drawn from various Vignan schools located in both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The training will encompass experiential and learning to make the pedagogy of science and mathematics education easy to impart while at the same time enhancing the overall quality of science and mathematics education for students at Vignan schools. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.